Hi, my name is Quốc Dak Phong, and I'm currently a first year software engineering student at the University of Ottawa. So I fell in love with programming when I was in high school. I took a class on it, I got fascinated by computers immediately, and after that, I created my own games and shared it with my friends. So I think that the reason why I like programming so much is because I think that technology is awesome. I think it's a big part of our lives, and I want to be a part of that growing industry. So moving on to the next few months, I was very lucky to get an internship at this company called Digiterra at Carleton University. So I was there for 7 months, and while I was there, I created the admin version of the Crowdfluence website. So basically, it's a website that allows companies to reach out to influencers and hire them to promote a campaign or advertise a product. And I still remember one of my tasks was to kind of automate the process where the website automatically puts the influencer's information in the database. So we don't have to do that manually. And other than that, in my free time, I like to learn new tools. Recently, I learned WordPress, and I think that it is awesome. And also, I started my YouTube channel pretty recently to not only make math tutorials, but also programming tutorials because I want to help my cousins learn English. So I still remember this July, I was given two new co-op students from other high schools to help with our project. And so what I did was I set up an interview with them to know more about them and also gave them time to familiarize themselves with the website. And so I still remember the new task was to create a page where the administrators can filter the influencers in the database based on their location, their sign up date, their interests, and also their monthly subscription status. And so the purpose is to see how many people are paying and using our services. And I still remember the challenging thing was we could not get together in a room to write the code because of the pandemic. So what I did was I set up a GitHub repository. I cloned the code from the website, and then I uploaded that code onto GitHub. And so for the given task, I broke that task down into smaller problems, and I would ask the two students to work on the same problem, but separately. So in the end, they send me the code, and because I work longer with the website, I understand the website better. I know that which code works more effectively, it works faster and more efficiently with the least amount of bugs, and then I would upload the better version of the code onto the Crowdfluence website. And so the result was we got the page done in 3 weeks, and I learned that communication and teamwork are the key to finishing the task effectively. So a strength that I have is when I encounter something difficult, I don't just give up easily. I would spend a lot of time on it. I would use paper, the whiteboard, draw out diagrams to understand what the issue is. And if I still struggle at it, I would definitely ask for help from my colleagues, from my friends, and also from the internet to give me some ideas on how to solve the issue. And so a weakness that I have is perhaps my communication skills. So when I talk with, let's say, 2 to 10 people doing a presentation, I'm okay with that. But let's say if I present in front of 50 people, then I would definitely get nervous. And so what I do to try to improve is after I created my YouTube channel and I teach math and programming on it, it helped me build my confidence in communicating with other people or explain a topic effectively. Yes, definitely. So could you tell me about the expectations for this job and what can I do to make a contribution to this company?